Good morning, everyone. So we slept pretty well last night, and this morning we're going to go get our rental car. So initially we reserved the rental car for Independence, Kansas. Well, the day before we got here, we received a call from Enterprise letting us know that our rental will be ready for us in Pittsburgh, Kansas. And we said, well, we didn't rent a car in Pittsburgh. We rented a car in Independence, Kansas, which is over an hour away. And they said that that location's closed due to COVID and that we would need to pick up our rental car in Pittsburgh. We're packing up the RV. We're going to go pick up Skyla's best friend and her girls to drive to Pittsburgh, Kansas, which should be a fun drive, having Jackie and her girls with us. So we're going to drive out there. We're going to get the car. We're going to come back, and then we'll be able to set up our RV to stay here for the week instead of having to keep coming and going. We'll be able to just use our rental car. We just dropped off our RV back at our campsite. Now we have a rental car that we can actually get around with today. We're going to hang out again. And what else are we going to do today?
So right now we're going to go get food because we did have a late breakfast.
Yes.
Now we're going to have a late lunch. We're going to meet back up with my best friend and her little girls, and we're going to get snow cones. We're going to go to the park. And then later tonight we're going to my father's farm and have some fun with some family. So come along. Hey guys, so we're going down the one way, which is a drive-through zoo in my hometown of Independence, Kansas. Usually it's just deer and elk and maybe a couple other animals.
People getting poured on that were just in the zoo, running back to their cars. And they're soaked. So that's the one thing about Kansas, is that it can be really nice 1 second, and then a storm comes in and it can be pouring, and you'll see people scatter.
Buckled up still? Okay. Yeah, dude, look at this. It's too much. We'll have to come back. Look at your man.
Oh man. Well, someone accidentally popped the hood.
Because you told me to pop the trunk. It's a rental
before
car.
It started raining.
How was I supposed to know? And that was before the rain.
Man.
So right now we're going to be driving through the downtown part of my hometown while it's actually pouring down rain. I believe these buildings were built, I don't know, 1800s, 1700s. Some of them have been redone. Some of them are still the original. We'll have to come back down here when it's not raining and actually show you the better part of my hometown. A lot of these stores have changed. Some of them are still the same since I was a kid. We now have Dickies right there. We just stopped at Walmart so the boys could go to the bathroom, and it looks like they are back. But I am vlogging. Yes, I will pop the trunk. Hi. So we just got to Walmart, and it looks like they are done. We got to walk the dogs. Hey guys, so we just stopped at Big Cheese Pizza to grab some dinner. Are you excited about some Big Cheese Pizza?
Yeah.
What are you gonna get?
My own personal Canadian bacon and pineapple pizza.
That sounds good. So we're just waiting on Craig.